The Dynam P-47 Thunderbolt is proving to be a snappy little warbird in the 1200mm category. Take a look at my assembly log video to examine this model in more depth. Here are a couple of things I discovered getting this model dialed in. First, the recommended battery is a little bit too small. I ended up using a 3300 mAh 4-cell battery instead of the listed 2200 mAh battery. This provided two positive outcomes. One, larger capacity allows for longer flight times, and two, the heavier battery helped with the CG. Second, with the CG near the back of the recommended range, the airplane flew a bit tail-heavy and the elevator was touchy. Moving the CG forward of the recommended range produced a solid flying model for typical warbird-type maneuvers. Third, the big drop tank significantly impacts the model's overall performance. I found it produced a lot of drag, which is no surprise, but for some reason the model wanted to roll left as power was increased with the drop tank attached. This tendency disappeared when I removed the drop tank. The drop tank certainly has a cool factor about it, but I think most pilots flying this model will prefer the increase in performance. The Dynam P-47 is a fun airplane to have at the field. Hey, if you found this video helpful, please click on the thumbs up button below and consider subscribing to the RC Planeviews channel. Click the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos.